Welcome to TechRanch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. Practice project ideas. Sound recorder. Today we are going to present you a live demonstration of basic and advanced sound recorder implemented in Java Swing Graphical User Interface API. This session is divided into two parts. First we'll see the basic sound recorder, and in the next session we'll see about advanced sound recorder. Before we get into the demonstration, let's first see the features and the requirements of sound recorder. Basic sound recorder has a customized user interface which is friendly being used. Basic audio format support, that is .wav file, which is automatically created once the J-file chooser is pop up for the user to choose the path to save this file. And it supports only 2 minutes and 45-second timer space. In case of advanced sound recorder, simply lightweighted user interface, which is not customizable and which is not fancy and friendly. Advanced audio format support, work on all types of audio formats like .au, .mp3, .wav and many more. Other important features of vocals based is also supported here, and unlimited recording time. So basically, if you see the difference, the basic sound recorder works on the user interface, whereas the advanced sound recorder works on the vocals processing, the user input audio processing. Now let's take a look at the basic sound recorder implementation. This application consists of 4 Java classes: Swing Sound Recorder, Sound Recording Util, Audio Player and Recorded Timer. So basically, if you see the requirement, we need to have the mainframe that is created in the Swing Sound Recorder. This class is a main class, it has a main method, and this class calls all the other classes objects and using their respective features, methods. Sound recording utility will work on your entire utility features like audio format and other kind of saving feature. And audio player will basically work on once the user done with the record, we can play within this frame using this play button. So that will work on the audio player. Record timer will process the recording timer. So this is my Eclipse IDE, and here is my application Swing Sound Recorder and my Swing Sound Recorder.java file. Since it's a Java based application, so it will work on the Java console. So you can see my window here. Basic sound recorder by TechRanch, record and play. So when I click on record, hello, welcome to TechRanch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. This is the 8-minute and testing basic sound recorder Java practice project idea. When I stopped, it pop up the J-file chooser, and here I can save the file by naming test, and it will save the .wav file since it is supporting only .wav file. So I'll give the name as a TechRanch, and it is saved. You can see here save recorded sound to this. Now when I can play from here also. Hello, welcome to TechRanch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. So this is the 8-minute and testing basic sound recorder Java practice project idea. And if you see, I can execute and play this file from the path where it is saved. It was in my desktop. So I'll go to my desktop, TechRanch. If I can hello, welcome to TechRanch. I can place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. This is the 8-minute and testing basic sound recorder Java practice. So this was a demonstration of basic sound recorder implemented in Java Swing Graphical User Interface. Now let's take a look at the advanced sound recorder. The implementation of advanced sound recorder is made is implemented using these one class called new JFrame class, which has a form. Add input line and mixer are the methods that helps to process the data user input given in the vocal form, and Java Sound API will help to process it. So if you can see here, we can give the different select input source. If you have more than two microphone, that also work together and go for a mixing. And sample rate, sample size in the bits, mono, stereo, file format, you can change and start. So this is what the feature of the advanced sound recorder. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. So this is my Eclipse IDE, and here is my application, and this is my package, and here is my class new JFrame, which has a property file that actually processing the audio input separately. So you can see here, you can choose the different type of inputs and different sample rate, sample size in bits, mono, stereo, file format. Here are the different types of file format is available. And hello, welcome to TechCrunch. This is advanced sound recorder by TechCrunch, demonstration by TechCrunch. So you can see this is not opening the JFile chooser as such. They are directly creating a file of audio file like this, that you can read it here like this. Hello, welcome to TechCrunch. This is advanced sound recorder by TechCrunch, demonstration by TechCrunch. Hello, welcome to TechCrunch. This is advanced sound recorder by TechCrunch. So this was the demonstration of advanced sound recorder implemented using Java Swing graphical user interface and Java Sound API. Sound recorder is one of the most important feature used in real-time project like voicemail. If you have seen, whenever we got a call, we have been sometimes needed to left a voicemail. So that particular feature can be used for the sound recorder. Audio books, where people are reading the books and keep it in a sound recording and reusing and rereading it again and again with the help of the vocal by the reader. Podcasting, book reading, music recording. So the basic one was used for the voicemail and audiobooks and podcasts, but music recording needs some advanced feature because we can change the formats, mixing the two vocals, and many other features you can use. So that type of places we can use these type of applications. For more assistance or source code or any kind of questions, please feel free to contact techcrunch2019@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and do like the video if you like it. And please feel free to contact techcrunch2019@gmail.com. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.